Alright, what is up boys and girls, welcome back to another video. As always, I'm Crypto Maximalist. Thank you very much for joining me today for a little look at Matic or Polygon on the daily time frame. Please do like and subscribe, leave a comment down below as always to help out the channel. And with that being said, we're just going to take a look at Polygon here on the daily time frame, which is looking very, very juicy. I mean, have you ever seen a coil like this in your entire life during a bear market? It's very, very interesting to see. It's really looking pretty juicy, to be honest. Obviously, these lines are a bit rough, but overall I do think you can see the concept, and the concept is probably fairly accurate. We've got that massive bull market. We tried to get that extension. We get up to around almost $3 there for Polygon after basically pumping 300x from these lows down here at around 1 or 2 cents. Absolutely ridiculous gains, which obviously these things happen in crypto all the time. Everyone's looking for these opportunities, aren't they? And you do have to be patient to see them out and have those diamond hands. But I do think Polygon here looking like it is coiling up in a very nice way. Obviously the overextension here, we come down into this bear market, we rolled all the way to 30 cents, basically a 90% decline there in the space of, what was this, we're really not looking at very long at all. December, January, March, April, May, June, like 6 months. We basically lost 90% of value in 6 months. And then a huge bounce to the upside, working the Fibonacci levels, trying to break to the upside here again, but lost steam, came down, rolled all the way back again, back down into this area of support, just working the Fibonacci levels all over this place, aren't we? Very, very clear support and resistance everywhere. Extension here, support, resistance, support, flipped into resistance, we roll all the way to support, resistance here again, support here. We're grinding around this area. Obviously there's this kind of descending resistance area for Polygon as well. And then you can see we did actually get up above this 100-day EMA again, which is good to see. A nice run all the way from 50 cents pretty much up to $1, a nice 100% gain there. A little 2x over the space of, what was this, few weeks? Basically 2 or 3 weeks there, which is really cool. And then again coming down, and look, what would you guess it, support again. Continuing this coiling motion that we're seeing for Polygon here. And I do think when the bull market comes, we'll probably break to the upside here and get some nice continuation for Polygon. I'm not for a moment saying that this will be the outcome, because this would probably be an absolutely ridiculous, monstrous target for Polygon. $100 a token is probably not on the cards, in my opinion. That is an absolutely outrageous market cap for Polygon, unless it has some unbelievable news. But I do think in terms of targets, you can see the Fibonacci levels here are looking quite promising, and I do think it's quite possible that we could see ourselves heading up towards that $10, maybe $20 for Polygon in the next bull market, considering it is getting up there now in terms of market cap and its usage isn't that high. But depending on adoption and all the projects that could launch on Polygon going into the next bull market, you have no idea how things are going to play out ultimately. But I think realistically it's safe to err on the side of caution and keep things realistic. And I do think probably at least, like around $10 I think is a really good price target for Polygon. $10 or $20 in the next bull market is probably pretty good. Obviously everyone always looks for bigger market cap coins around a 10x from the all-time high, which would take us up to around $30. But I think the market cap then would be approaching, if not beyond, hundreds of billions of dollars of market cap for Polygon. At least that's what it sounds like it would be off the top of my head right now. I'm not sure what the market cap is right now actually, but in either instance, obviously when you have these larger cryptos, they just simply cannot run as much because of those inhibitive market cap factors. And I would say overall for me, Polygon is probably just looking right now to continue consolidating, coiling to the side here. We could see more tests of these Fibonacci levels. We're currently sitting at around 77 cents, but I do think a retest of $1 is probably on the cards pretty soon. And then a long-term target, I think $10, $20 is a realistic target for Polygon for sure. Maybe beyond that, depending on how ridiculous the next bull market is. So that is it for today, guys. Thank you very much for watching indeed. Please do like and subscribe, leave a comment, get involved in the Discord down below, and become a YouTube member, and I'll catch you in the next one. Cheers.